Hello and welcome back to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to white label your V2 Cloud app so your clients or team members can log in through your custom domain, complete with your company logo, and use a branded desktop app. Step 1. Reach out to your V2 Cloud contact to request a white label setup by sending an email that includes your white label configuration details. The email should include the following information. First, your desired URL prefix. Second, one of the 4 domain options, which are cloudworkstations.com, go2cloud.app, v2cloud.co, or v2cloud.com. Third, the email address associated with your V2 Cloud account. And finally, a direct URL to your hosted company logo. The first 3 steps are very straightforward, but the fourth can be a bit tricky since you'll need to use a third-party image hosting service. You can use platforms like ImageBB, HostImages, or even GitHub to host your logo, and we have a separate video tutorial that walks you through uploading an image to GitHub, which is linked in the description below. If you choose to use a free online service, for instance ImageBB, just go to their website, drag and drop your company logo, and hit upload. Once uploaded, your link will be generated and ready to send. However, many free image hosting services don't offer unlimited hosting, and your image might be deleted after some time. That's why we kindly recommend using GitHub, as it's a more stable and reliable place to store your images long-term. Step 2. Once you've sent the email with the necessary configuration details, wait for a confirmation email from our team. This confirmation means everything has been reviewed and approved. If there are any issues, such as problems with the image link, we'll also let you know in that reply and help you resolve them. Once you get the green light, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 3. Make sure to delete your browser cache to clear out any old data and ensure you load the latest updates on your custom domain. This step is crucial for a smooth login experience. After that, you can visit your custom domain and continue to log in with your V2 Cloud credentials. Step 4. After you have successfully logged in through the browser, go ahead and download the Whitelabel app from the following link. Once installed, your desktop app will be synced with your custom domain and display your company logo. You've now successfully configured your Whitelabel V2 Cloud app. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.